Next up, Act 3, Tier 2, Confrontation, Ghosted. In this, we need to kill 100 zombies with the Aether Shroud Field Upgrade and kill 20 Mercenaries with the Aether Shroud Field Upgrade. This is super easy. When you're in the inventory screen, make sure you head across to your upgrade here and select the Aether Shroud. Essentially, you'll become invisible to zombies, although I don't think mercenaries, and you just need to kill a bunch of them while you're in this ghost mode. That's it. Super simple. Let's just get to it. Now that we're in game, all we're going to do is, first of all, find our way to an extract. If you'd like to do this first bit now with the kill 100 zombies with it, as we can very easily recharge the ability, getting tons of zombie kills all after each other. As you can see, getting zombie kills slowly gets this to tick up until it's eventually completely full. At an extract, you can call it in and not board it, but you'll have thousands of zombies to kill, and of course, refresh your ability once, twice, maybe even more, especially if you happen to get the random drop that refreshes your field upgrade, the max power. It isn't, of course, required to do it that way, but you definitely can. However, what I'd recommend you start with is slowly get your way up to a full charge, then head straight for a mercenary camp, as you can always get to an extract later on, especially if you're planning on leaving anyways. It's just a bit better to plan your way around in such a way that you don't have to worry about returning. It's already just about halfway, so we could probably head straight for a merc camp or a mercenary outpost. There's one over here. It's in a tier 2 zone, so we don't really want to be there. Let's instead get this orb real quick and then continue. And there we go. Our shroud is pretty much charged up anyways. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so the closest merc camp is over there. I'll mark it, get a vehicle and head straight there. How long does this ability last? I think it's about 10 seconds, and we'll find out now if it works for mercenaries as well. It definitely makes you invisible to zombies though. Obviously you'll want a pretty fast firing weapon and a medium to long range one, as we'll be doing merc camps. It's pretty dangerous to get too close. Now that we're above it, we can hopefully bait them all together. Activate it. And I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, we got 3 done, not a huge amount, so maybe now we can hopefully just get some more zombies before we return here. Okay, we'll head back to the merc camp, make sure we're fully loaded, and do it again. This time hopefully getting more than just 3. Otherwise, we'll have to go through a few merc camps. Okay, so we'll run in here. There's a few here. Right, we'll activate it. And I actually think that's it. So I think we only got another 3. Yeah, we're at 6. Damn. Okay, well, we could have got maybe another 6 here, but I didn't get it done fast enough. This camp is now cleared. Oh well, we'll mark the next one, which is over here, and we'll slowly make our way there. I won't take a car, as we'll need to charge up our ability while we're going. Well, we could also probably do a defend ground mission, which will call in a whole bunch of mercenaries. That might actually be a bit of a better idea, especially if you're much closer. So we'll do this. The next, and finally the last one. Now with our shroud unlocked, we should be able to start the upload and a ton of mercenaries should come in. Hopefully we can get more than just 3 in a go though. Alright, so here come the mercenaries. Let's see if we can maybe get ourselves upstairs just to hide for a little bit. Hello you. And hopefully they get baited towards that computer that they're busy attacking. But I think these zombies are doing a good job of actually stopping everything. Right, so there's 1, 2, and damn, that's it. Just another 3 actually. Well, that didn't really go to plan, but anyways, at least we got a bit more. For now, let's make our way to probably another mercenary camp. I don't think I picked up a key card, which I definitely should have, which means we could go into a mercenary stronghold instead, where there's yet even more guards. But 10 out of 20, we're definitely making progress. I don't know what these ones were involved in, but there were about 20 of them just hanging around here. That would have been pretty good to use our ability with. In fact, I don't even know what contract they came with, but anyways, missed opportunity, I suppose. Well, anyways, heading across to a much more flat camp, we should hopefully be able to see more enemies more easily, though there'll still probably be lots of cover. So we'll pull up, activate our ability, and get going. Well, that's it. We should now get going. Thanks for playing, I suppose. I think we got 4 this time. Yeah, well, hopefully we can get 6 just after we recharge and return. So for now, the best thing to do is probably find our way to an Aether nest or something and do that quickly to hopefully recharge our ability. In fact, maybe we don't even need to. Oh, and also not to mention, if you have an airstrike or something like that, you could probably call one in. As long as you time it correctly, you could definitely pretty much wipe out an entire camp worth of enemies within quite literally just a few seconds with the ability active. I don't see a reason why it wouldn't count, so Yeah, that's also an option. And with this now recharged, let's turn around and head back, reload everything, and hopefully get 6 kills, otherwise 3 and maybe 2 afterwards. Let's see. I would think if you're really struggling, you could probably put a laser on to help with hip fire accuracy, as the first few seconds of having this ability active, you can pretty much only hip fire. Well, that didn't go too well. For contracts as a defend ground here, we can maybe do that. Probably the next best option. Okay, so trying out the same exact contract at the same exact place, doing the same exact things, except for hopefully not dying this time. We should hopefully be able to get another 5 here, which should complete slightly more difficult side of this. Getting the rest of the zombie kills at extractions is super quick and easy. Okay, so activating this, calling in the guards. Now we should hopefully be able to get this done. I think we should maybe head around back, because they're all dropping at the front. Nope, never mind, they're out here too. We'll get rid of these annoying things, and we'll get only 1 kill, because of course we will. Let's see, maybe we can quickly regen our Aether Shroud in this direction, and head back here to get the rest of the kills. We literally only need 4 of them, and of course my luck. The one rushes me, breaks me, and I'm not able to get rid of them. So instead, refreshing here. There we go, this thing is recharged. Suppose we may as well just finish this. Now we can head back, and hopefully this time, assuming they're still there, that is, we can get this done in one go. We only need 4 of them. Are they still in here? It doesn't seem like it. Okay, well, I guess we're going elsewhere then, looking for a similar contract. Aether extractors, they'll be there, that's for sure. There's 1 here and 1 here. Maybe we can do that instead. These missions also call them the Mercenaries. Alright, so heading across here, we should be able to get close, armor up, and activate our ability, where we can get 2 kills and give up. Cool. Well, we're a little bit closer, I suppose. Now to quickly get some more zombies, head back and do it all over again. Reload and quickly get the last of this done. So we'll activate it and get 1, 2 kills. And now we should be done. Okay, cool. Now all we need to do is get zombie kills. This is the easier part of this, infinitely so. We just need to get our way to an exfil. I'll be using this one up here. Heading straight for this, preferably with a pack-a-punch weapon, as it'll make life a little bit easier. So I think I'll quickly pack-a-punch it and continue heading. So very quickly, yoink, and continuing. We'll clear out the area to hopefully recharge a bit more, but we'll probably be calling this in once, maybe twice. So calling it in. Now you'll see exactly why. We'll quickly farm it up, and once we have it, we'll make sure to bait all of the zombies into one big group, just so we can spray them down very easily. Okay, there we go. Now that we have it, let's bait these all together, even though it's just a handful. Actually, this is far too few to worry about, to be honest. Maybe we should call it in again and try then. The more people that are here, the more zombies there will be. Yeah, there's literally nothing here. Might just be because it's early though. I don't really know what has an effect on how quickly these things spawn. Probably doing an escort mission would have more zombies than this. This is definitely not working as I'd hoped. There used to be far more of these things. I'm actually not sure why not. Well, screw it, we'll just do it here anyways. We'll activate it and basically just charge into the group of zombies. That's it. There were literally 9 of them here. Yeah, I don't know why. There's 1, 2, 3. Where are the zombies? There's like 6. Are they not supposed to be more? Whatever. Suppose we'll just get this done slowly then. That's 15 out of 100. Yay. Something is definitely not normal. I don't know. What we need to do now is bait some of these together, hopefully, and get a whole lot more killed in one go. It's only about 6 here, so we'll wait. And pulling around a few more. I think they're more interested in the truck, sadly. Can maybe get a few more of these done. Certainly not a huge amount, but that's something. 6. Cool. With full power activated again, we should hopefully be able to bait a few together and once again get rid of them. And now we're at 46. So we're getting there just slower than before, sadly. Let's go for maybe a raid weapon stash. Raid weapon stash should hopefully have more zombies, but I don't think in one go, really. Well, actually, just heading into a random spot, there's far more zombies here than I could have hoped for. So we can clear out some of these. Oh, and now we get insta-kill. Cool. And we're at 57, so we're slowly making progress. Let's get to maybe an infested stronghold, as there should just be more zombies here. And hey, would you look at that? 2 mimics. Pretty cool. I don't think these give us any faster recharge for our ability though, or anything special really, so that's kind of sad. But anyway, we'll get inside and start clearing it out to hopefully bait some more zombies. And we got a free recharge to top it all off. So now I assume just generally running around in the streets, we can hopefully bait quite a few zombies towards us and get a good spray down. Heck, we could probably also throw down a grenade or something to get even more done as soon as possible. I think let's try that. Grenade, we'll activate, grenade again, and hey, would you look at that? I actually got a huge amount done. We're at 81. Sweet. Okay, we're almost done with this. It only took us probably 2 hours, surprisingly. Oh my goodness, I wasn't even aware the map was ending. That's how long it's been. Okay, well, hopefully the final exfil will have a few more zombies we can get to. I don't know, kind of running out of choice here. That's pretty cool. Yeah, hopefully we can just get this done. I am tired of this. Actually, you know what? We probably shouldn't leave it up to random chance. We should just get rid of these ones here. We got 4, 8, 11, 12 here, and I need another like 18. I don't think we can get 18 here. Maybe if we bring those ones up or something. This might be 15 plus somewhere else here. I don't think so. Okay, well, whatever. As many of these done as we can, and we're at 98. Can you believe it? Well, all that's left to do now is to head the rest of the way and hopefully get the last few before the final exfil takes off. Final exfil. I think we'll travel the rest of the way on foot, although we really need to worry. You know, we kind of do need to worry. It's a bit far away. And there we go. Our ability is ready. Let's head straight for the final exfil, and then I suppose just wait for it. Yeah, well, there we go. We're here now. So we'll activate our ability and get it done with. There we go. We're now finished with this surprisingly annoying mission, Ghosted. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot. Hopefully you found this video useful, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.